My first thought when someone comes to me and says, hey, let's do a research, I'm like, oh boy. I have to take into consideration what responsibilities there will be on my part, on the staff's part, what is all involved on the patient part as far as, okay, now we have a privacy issue that we need to be concerned with. We need to be concerned with what's going to happen with this research, and will you have enough candidates to do the research you're interested in doing. We have had research in the past taken place in our office. Went relatively smoothly. We knew their expectations up front. It still involved a lot of employee time. It involved some patient time. It involved some doc time. So that, unfortunately, that does push back the doctor schedule. Some of the issues that we face having a research come back in is we need to make sure, one, are they coming with a staff, a research assistant? How are we going to integrate their team into our already office, which is already space confined? How are we going to work my staff into what their needs are? I think it's important for a researcher to know primary care offices, their primary goal is patient care first. They need to see, do you have staffing available, the space. They need to make sure there's ample spacing available. Some of the workflow issues, one being an electronic medical record, can slow down a provider if the system is slow, if it's not working. Providers running behind and they're used to handwriting their notes, then they need to go back and dictate. So you run into problems when you have the system not working properly. Other workflow spacing sometimes can be a concern. If I have a full, take a Monday morning for example, I have a full 7 doctors and a nurse practitioner making it a total of 8 and my space is limited. I need to make sure that I have ample space available so everybody's patients can be roomed and be seen. Oh gosh, none of them do anything the same. There is a challenge. It would be nice if everything could be standardized, but unfortunately it's not. There are 7 providers with 7 different personalities, all of which I quickly have learned to learn each of them. So yeah, just having to adjust to what their needs are, what they want to get their flow going through the day.